Right now I'm preparing baked ziti, but the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hands. So let's get started. There's that. I already sanitized my food contact surface, so I think it'd be pointless to put that in the video right now. I also have my ingredients here. First thing is a pound of ziti, some vegetable oil, a pound of ground beef, a medium onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to measure out a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a large jar of marinara sauce, half a pound of mozzarella cheese, a cup of ricotta cheese, and a cup of Parmesan. I'm going to measure it out, so when I come back, they'll all be measured out. Right now, everything is already measured back over here, so if when I need them, I will just bring it over here. So first thing I'm going to be doing is boiling the pasta in a large pot of water. So I'm just gonna get the water. So right now I already have the water now, and I'm going to be boiling the pasta. Ooh, that's a lot already. Okay, so just show you how it's looking there, and I'm boiling it. It doesn't say how high to have it, but I'm gonna put it like medium high. Let's say add the pasta and cook at rolling boil, uncover until the pasta is al dente, edible but still firm enough to bite. So I'm just gonna let that boil, and then I guess I'll come back when it's finished boiling. Now, while that is boiling, I'm just going to start on the sauce. So I'm gonna brown the meat. So I'm going to put some vegetable oil into the pan. I think it has to be on medium-high heat. So I'll put like 7. Put this much in there, and then just brown the meat. Oh, I never cooked meat before. Ooh. Break it up so it's easier to cook. I don't know if you can see what it's looking like. So I'm still waiting for the pasta to just finish boiling. Let me see if it's done now. Not yet. Not done, but next I can just work on the sauce. This is not to, let me see. Add the bulk sausage or ground meat, break it in large chunks. Yeah, so. And break it up a little bit more. And then until this browns, I'll come back. Now that the meat is brown, you can see. Now I'm going to add onions and then saute and then add garlic. So here are the onions. Just adding that in there. So now I'm just bringing it. Ooh, I shouldn't turn on the heat. I felt like the heat was just really hitting my face, and I was like, oh my god. But let's just continue. Ooh, that was really good. Huh? Yeah. So now I'm just having my onions in there. Let's see, it's looking like we're doing a good job. I've never actually done this before. It says to, yeah, please turn top it down a little bit. It says add onion saute. So when meat is mostly brown, add the onions, which I think is already brown. Not even mostly, like it's pretty much brown already. You add the onions and stir well to combine. Saute everything until the onions are translucent and beginning to brown. I think I could just lower the heat a little, just a little bit, because the meat's already brown. Wait, until the onions? Okay. Don't want to waste too much time watching me do this, so I'll come back when I'm done with this. Okay, now that the onions are basically done, I'm going to be adding the garlic into there, into the mix. It smells really good so far. Huh? So, I don't stir too often, but I'm stirring kind of bit. That's okay. I think the pasta. Can you check the pasta? Ooh, it's really soft. Good enough. I'm gonna turn this off because it's been cooking for longer than it needed to be cooked. Get the garlic in there, and then I can add the Italian seasoning into there. A lot. Let's put that in there. Mix that around. Not a bit too much. I want this thing to burn. I mix that in there, and what's the next thing I need to add? Cook 1 minute and then add tomato sauce. So I don't want to take too much space with this video, so again, pausing it. Now what I'm gonna do is add the tomato sauce. So right here. Tomato sauce. I have to add this entire jar. Oh shoot! Oops, my bad. Why did I add this entire jar? Ooh. Yeah, that's the entire jar, right? Whew. Yes.
Oh, you're recording? I'm sorry.
It's fine. So right now I just added the tomato sauce to the meat to make the sauce. Okay. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to do this for because it doesn't really say. I kind of made a little mess while I was doing this, but yeah. It doesn't say how long, which is really weird. I would think that it would say like, oh, do it for this amount of time. But now I'm just gonna stir it. This is what it looks like. Is it supposed to be this much sauce? I know it seems weird, but it just says stir it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir it. And then let's say preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So doing that right now. I think it's really good, right? Okay, perfect. Alright, so, and then I think this is when I would just make the casserole dish, so I'm almost done. Looks really good. I'm just going to cook a little bit longer, and then when I come back, that's when I'll be layering the cheese and the sauce. Now this is where I'm going to be adding the layers. So it says to layer, so it says spread a thin layer of sauce in the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole pan. So I'll just do that right now. So now I have added the sauce to the bottom, and I forgot to mention that I also drained the noodles, or the ziti. So and it says to dot the surface with half ricotta cheese. So I'm gonna do that right now. Sorry if everything's a little bit awkward because I keep pausing. Where's the spoon that I just had in my hand? Oh, here it is. Okay, so just going to be adding this onto here. It says dot it, but I don't think that really matters. It's half ricotta cheese. It'll be alright. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is ladle a spoon of sauce on. Wait, what? 1 second. Okay, sorry about the pause. So, what it also said for me to do was to pour the sauce with the pasta, and then I guess I'll put that into there, so you'll see then. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm stirring it. I don't know if you can see, it's probably really hard to see, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll show you. So this is what I did. Mix it together, and now it says to just add this here. Yeah, so stir well, then add to the pasta and casserole. Okay, so I'm just gonna add all of this. It's really good. It's like so much. It's okay. Be careful. I'm really careful not to get onto the sides, because then that will cook onto there, and that's just not what I want. Then it says to pour the rest of the sauce over the pasta. So that's what I'm doing now. I think there's not a lot of sauce, but that should be okay. And then I'm just gonna smear it over. much sauce in here? Because this doesn't seem like that much when I look at it. It doesn't like it's really covering it, but it's okay. And the last thing I'm gonna do is a fun part, is just adding more cheese right on top of it. Just go nuts. Just add as much cheese as you want. Is this still cutting? Okay, so I got it cut off. I'm adding the mozzarella cheese. This bag is a pound, so I guess I just use half this bag. It's a lot of cheese. I think this is about enough. Just put as much cheese as you want. It's really up to you. Is that any more cheese? Parmesan cheese? That looks really appetizing. And adding it all over here. And then the oven is already preheated to 350. A little more cheese couldn't hurt. I love Parmesan cheese, so I'm definitely adding as much as that as I want. Okay, maybe a little more cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven and then let it bake for 20 minutes, and then I will show you the outcome after.